everyone. So, what the hell is this? What the fuck is going on? Can you hear me? I have no idea what this is about. Okay, this is my first test. I should stop it. How do I... Okay, so I need to find out how I can stream my computer screen. Okay, so welcome to what will be a Solidworks streaming channel, I guess. I am a mechatronic engineer with experience in product design, machine design, and a lot of projects so far in my portfolio. And I'll be doing a very simple thing now. What I'll be doing is a kind of like a driven propeller that's just for a flow meter, an industrial flow meter of water, and I have to model this thing. Sadly, I don't have a camera, so I can't show you what the thing that I want to model is, but I will doing it step by step, so maybe you guys can catch up with that. Maybe you can learn some of the techniques that I use and I will share with you some insights of how I do things, and hopefully this will help you guys. Whoever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope this is useful at least to someone. This is just an experiment that I'm doing. I've never streamed in my life. I have to admit I'm kind of scared, but well, we live in the age of technology and digital media, so I think in about exactly an hour I should be chatting with my girlfriend. Let me just see, because I'm not sure if it was now or if it was okay. I should actually leave this open. Okay, so the first thing I need in my hand is my vernier, so that I can make precise measurements for all the guys who know what that is. I'm talking about this thing right here. Yep, this thing over here. And I'll start sketching some. I usually just make a first sketch in a specific plane, depending on what is the view where you generate the basic geometry. So okay, let's see. Okay, this is not going to be easy. Okay, fuck it, let's start. I'm gonna put myself on time limit because apparently in about an hour I need to talk to my girlfriend, and I haven't talked to her in quite a while. So okay, so we make a circle with construction geometry. This circle, I still don't know the length, because what I have is something different. I don't have a real circle. Is there like a star tool here? I don't think so. Drawing, sketch, sketch, sketch. Okay, so here I'm looking for different commands that I don't have in my main toolbar. I'm looking for something that allows me to create star-like shapes, but I don't have it. So what I'll do is I'll just start with one line. I have a base circle in the geometry that I'm trying to build, and everything here will be construction geometry because it's just the way I like it. So what I'll do is I'll make a circular sketch pattern with 5 entities. Okay, so um, this circle over here has, which is actually a screw, it's 13.25 millimeters. And from this thing's base to the edge of one of the, how we call that, flippers? I'm not sure. It's 37.45. So, okay. So, okay, we align it and we touch the endpoints of both lines. Oh shit, so this is actually a bigger circle. Okay, so with this I can actually make all of them equal. They already, this is already redundant because it's a matrix. They already need to be equal. And I got an answer from guess who? Five my time. I have time in 5 mean. Or it's 6. Okay. Can we move it to 6? Can we move it to 6? How do I explain it to her? I have more time than, and I talk to you without okay. Yeah. Okay. So let's hope this shitty technique I'm coming up with works. This thing has angles. It's not as easy as I thought. So let's do this. Yep. And well, this is just gonna make things harder for me. Let's just make another sketch because this is already really dirty. No, actually, I don't want a new sketch. So this thing, it's kind of like a propeller shaped piece of shit. And, okay, let's see. Let's base it on this one. So maybe I can measure this distance, so, or this, and have an estimate. Yeah, this is a good way to do it, actually. Okay, so we have an offset from the center, which is about 5.5 millimeters here, and these lines are parallel 5.5. Yep. Similar to what I thought would be. And the circle. Yep. And what I need to do is to make, oh, you know guys, let's customize this little shitty menu, because I'm really tired. Sketch of having to go to my toolbar on the top, which I hate. I don't like using it. Let's add something here, and let's add something here as well. This makes my life so much easier. And also this one. I'd rather have a lot of options here than having to look here and there, and if there's not what I'm looking for, then customize. I mean, that's just exhausting. So we got this thing. It's 5. By the way, well, this okay, this defines the whole thing, and here we have 2.3 thickness, which is awesome. And here we have 1.13.15. Okay, we have to make another inner circle. 13.2. Which is pretty much the same thing here. Yeah, let's keep it as the same. Oh, this is really hard to measure. It's like 8 millimeters. So this is pretty much a straight line in here, connected to spline. Ooh. No, actually it's not. It's more like a straight line that connects here. Yeah. And then we just add a chamfer. Or should I say fillet? And no, this is not how it goes. Should reach its minimum. Yeah, maybe spline will make things easier for me. Okay. She said it's fine. You know, if you guys understand women, when she says that's fine, that's pretty much not fine. That's something I've learned in my life as a clueless man. But there's nothing I can do about this now. Because I'm really interested in this. I'm really interested. one thing I've learned with this woman is I'm never right. I'm always wrong. But I've seen the same thing happen to all my friends, so I don't feel so bad about it. It's just the way it works. It's just the way we were designed. It sucks, but it's not so bad. Okay, this looks kinda discontinuous. Let's change the background. I can barely see what I want to see. Okay, yeah. Look at that. Whoa, what happened here? This could be a problem because this is a propeller. This makes it look more continuous, okay? So, let's hide sketch relations. Yeah, it looks better. By the way, maybe I could add a keyboard shortcut for showing sketch and relations. Do you guys think it would be good? Yeah, of course it would be good. Okay, so keyboard customization, mouse gestures. Yep, it's here. Show sketch relations, Shift R. Okay, already have a command for that. Woo! P for planes and S for sketches. Good. Now, what I have to do is actually take all this bullshit from here. I don't need it anymore. And this I'll make construction geometry. What we need, guys. Oh, what we need. If I told you what we need, you guys would. This is what we need. Isn't it? Well, it doesn't look so. It doesn't look so. Let's look at it. No, there's something wrong here with my design. This is gonna be like 2.2 millimeters. Yeah, I'm wrong here. Ah, fuck you, man. Why did it move this direction? Fuck this, man. Oh, this is totally wrong, man. This is totally wrong. And this had a distance from here, which was 3.3. And this was 3.3 millimeters from here. Why is this not moving? Let's destroy this. Okay. Yeah, I mean, this is what's killing me. Ah, you know, I'm such a dummy, guys. This is... I made a mistake. There is a wrong relationship here. And this should be vertical for sure. And also, let's move this over here and snap this here. And then, yeah, 3.3 over here. Let's move this out of here. And here, well, yeah, of course, we can have a section of a circle. This is 2.2. Yeah. And then, what we will have also... ¿Qué onda? Buenos días. Muy bien, ¿y tú? Eh, um, no, no he desayunado. Claro, ¿qué te gusta desayunar? ¿Sabes qué? No puedo porque voy a hablar con Connie hoy. Quedé a las 11. Sí. Yeah. Mm, está bien. That was my mom. She's now... Those noises she's making, it's because of our cat. We have a cute cat. But I freaking hate it. Okay. So what I need to do is to make this two merge. And now the good part comes. No. Yeah. Oh yeah. It has to match here, kinda. It doesn't have to be exactly the same. Okay. This seems pretty good to me. Okay, now this should look more like... This is actually 5 millimeters. Am I crazy? Dun 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 dun. Okay, even better. Uh-huh. Yep. I think we got it. And now we make this merging points. What the fuck are you talking about? Solidworks. What is your fucking problem? What is your problem? Okay, now we do merge, you guys. You guys will merge. You guys will merge. Okay, I don't give a shit. Okay, now this looks more like it. And we add this. And now, yeah, yeah. Fuck you. Now this is just a cosmetical thing I have to do. I have to see that it matches the profile of the real deal. But this is busting my ass. Because I mean, if this is tangent here, this also should be tangent here. That's a problem with this. They have different centers. You have to. Okay. Now we can play with this. Yeah. I think this is fine. Yep. I think this is it. I got the profile. So now let's just call this base sketch. Actually, let's do it in caps, because we might reference the sketch in later moments. Okay. I'll just save it here with a small stupid projects. Nah, let's just call it small projects. Let's call it driven propeller. Now we make another sketch. We have to do this. Whoa. Wait a minute. Did we not? We didn't. Oh, you guys. Stop messing with my head, you little pieces of shit. Just kidding. Okay, now we can do it. Did I tell you how much I love you? I know nothing about you, but I think you guys are the best. So the total height is 2.25. 20.25 millimeters. We got the first part. Now, fine. Okay. So now we start with this, because this is the next part of this, and we extrude it to its final height. Oh, there's something a little tricky here. So let's see, it's 17.6. Let's merge like we are meant to. We're all meant to merge. Let's save this. Okay, so now we have to make some threads on it, but it's a double thread, which is something I've never had need to make. It's kind of scary, guys. Am I streaming here? Is anyone watching? I don't think so. Why would anyone watch this shit? I have one spectator. I think that's me. Haha, how sad is that? Okay. I have some tools to measure threads. Let me just take them out. By the way, I have a workshop. I'll show you later how it looks. It's really cool. it's really hard. I know women have it hard with their, you know, their own nature, which is pretty much against them all the time, make them feel pain and things like that. But we men have to go through something similar with women. And I mean, if there's any girls watching this sometime in the future, you guys should know, please don't be so cruel with your guys. They love you, and they just don't have no fucking idea how to make you happy. That's it. Okay, I think I kind of have an idea of what the pitch for this thing is. Oh, so it's 2.5 millimeters. Let me just write it down. Yeah. It's 2.5 millimeters. But this is a metric measurement, and I'm not sure whether this was made in the US or in Mexico or in China or wherever, Germany. Do you think it would be made in Mexico? I don't think so. We make nothing. We just copy things. And we really make not so good beer. That's pretty much our thing. Okay, so maybe it's 10. Yeah, it could be 10. Actually, nah. I think it's 2.5 millimeters. So I have 2.5 millimeters. So it will be 5 millimeters pitch. And now I have to deduce the shape of this thing. It's really hard. But if someone can, that is me. That's right. Okay, so if I recall correctly, we have a okay. Let's say was it with circular profile? Did we have something there? Okay, let's see. I always like to have like a cut view of exactly the same plane where I'm working. I don't know, it just gives me the heebie-jeebies if I don't. So, what I should do is to try to draw a small sketch with the supposed shape, okay? This is just a supposition. It's not real. You are not real. Hey, I just noticed I made a mistake. I will show you. I won't fix it now. I'll show you later what I'm talking about. I think it will. Let's make this with equations. It's like thread base. Yeah, baby. And this will be. Shit, I have so many keyboard languages that I'm going crazy with this. Thread. It would be, I don't know. That's the base. This is like the max width. Yeah. And of course, this line goes through the middle here. Otherwise, we're playing with fire here. And this is the height. But yeah, please do. And you? Yeah, please. Could you? Would you? Okay. Now, it's good to make it start here. Here. Okay. Now, I have a technique you guys should know. Many people don't know that you can actually create intersection curves, which is pretty much where a body surface or a surface intersects a plane. It draws a line, so you can use that to snap for your sketches, which is really useful. So we make this for construction, and then we snap this thing here. Whoa, look at that. It's totally constrained. Isn't that? Like, now we make sketch visible, and we hide the specific one because I don't need it anymore. It's just annoying the shit out of me. And, okay. Let's see. Solidworks. Let's put you to test. Okay, I heard something. It's not here. Okay, good. You know, I'm kind of a scaredy cat type of man. Actually, I'm not. I'm a real man. I am a real man. Nope. It's my cell phone. Just playing tricks on me. Yeah. Okay, so let's make another sketch here. We'll use this thing over here. Actually, let's not choose this one. Let's choose the one from here. By the way, if you press F6, you can hide. Is it F6? It's F8. You can hide and show this extension of the feature manager. For me, it's extremely useful. And now we hide this again. Okay, so with this I can create a curve. And another cheat that I can share with you, it's spiral, helix and spiral. It's that with pitch we do 5, and we do it height and pitch. We can exit it because it's a cut relationship, so you will just not cut anything after it, which is what we want. So we can exit a little in the height department. Okay, yeah, this is fine. Now we know the pitch because I measured it with this instrument. How do you call that? Gauge, I think. Yeah, with a thread gauge. Thank you, Google. You understand me. So we do this. And oh, I have an idea. I don't have to do this twice. I actually can do this. Should I? Should I? Let's see. If you hold down Control key, you can copy something with it. And if you even select the dimensions and things like that, they will be copied too. Only the dimensions that keep it attached to something, they will not be copied, because otherwise you would create the sketch would crash. Let's call this equals yo mama. I would say actually I don't need this, because the one that I care about is this one, and this should be 5. So this should give you an idea, guys, that this is small, and we call this, we take this out, we make this equal to this other one, and here we do the same, because let's simplify our lives, right? Who cares about um, you know, other shit. Now, um, we can do this. We make a 3D sketch, or can I use this? Let me see. Solidworks always surprising me. Oh, come on. Do I? Can I only have two? Oh shit. Are you kidding me? Okay. So here's the deal. It's a good thing that I made this sketch here, which we'll make now. We will call it threads. Thread shape. Okay. And now we'll have to make another one. That's right. You lazy asses. You'll have to work extra time now. So we select chain because it makes things faster for us. And we do the same. Select chain. And we convert again. Now this would be thread. This is minus, I mean not capital. Thread 1. They are pretty much totally constrained by the thread shape sketch. And it's good that we have it outside of an operation, because any changes we want to make, this thing is visible, and since it's in capitals we can look at it. Like, this is great. Great stuff. Great great concepts and tips for you. So we do thread 2. Now we go crazy. Okay, so yeah, can I use this thing here? Nope, it won't allow. So we need to make a 3D sketch, and we select this curve, and then we just convert it. Okay, this is the spiral. Okay, we'll share this between two operations, and I will show you how it looks, because I don't want to make another spiral. It's just redundant. Okay, so we do this. We select one of this, and then we select the spiral. Yep, and we do it both sides, so it also cuts here. That part looks kind of weird, but it's fine. It's fine. Actually, I'm gonna show you something really quick. Yeah, we keep all bodies, okay? Okay, so when we did this, we have to go back in time and edit this. We done merge, and now, oh god, we lost our relationship here. Okay, let's see what it is. Coincident, doesn't work. Now we select it, look at the entities, we eliminate it, and problem solved. Wait, no, we have another here. Let's look at, oh, you guys. Yeah, let's do this, and also this. Now we do this again, because now it's a different body. So, and you, what are you doing here? Yeah, you got it. Okay, so we're back in the game, and now we should be able to do the swept cut. And if it doesn't work, then, well, I want to do something else as well. 8 in pitch. Okay, I would like to continue it downward, but I don't see any options. Am I so ignorant here? Wait. Selected bodies. Just this body. Just cut this body. Don't cut the other one. Okay, this is creating multiple bodies. Why is it? This is the one I want. Okay. Good. And now we make you live again. And we do the same. Now we do it with this one. And we choose again the same thing. We make it bi-directional, so it tries to continue it. And we only want it to affect this body. And let's see what bodies it asks us to keep. If it ever decides to just stop thinking and start doing. Let's see. I think it's this one. Yeah. Okay. So, I don't want to look at this. It's ugly. This looks almost identical to what I have. Like, literally almost identical. Now, there's a small difference here, because this thing has a small boss on the top. But I already have the maximum height, so what I will do is I'll cut. But outside of it. Okay, and I'll just cut, let me measure this with my calipers. It's like 1 millimeter. So since I chose to cut outside, then what it keeps, it's what's inside the closed contour and cuts everything else in the direction of the generatrix vector, which is the vector normal to the plane where I did the sketch. And now this thing that goes in the middle, which is 3 millimeters. I'll put it by pressure, so I'll make it 2.9, give or take the accuracy of the 3D printer, so it should get in with a lot of pressure there. So now we cut, but we cut this time inside. And here you go, we have the part. Now let me take a look at it and see if it looks kinda like the original one. Okay, what I noticed, oh shit, it's the angle in this, it's inverted. So this thing over here, this body, I should mirror it. And where is, yep, this should be looking in this direction, not in this one. Wow, what an amateur. Okay, what I'll do, because I'm really lazy, is I still haven't merged these bodies, right? Because I have a solid bodies folder here, so I should merge them before 3D printing. And I still haven't, given this the correct measurements and shape. This is just a proposal, you would say. So what I should do now is look at, yeah, this one, this plane, mirror, and I'll say bodies to mirror, and don't merge them. And now this is the original one, right? So it would be like this. Let me look at it. Yeah, looks more like the original. Way better. And now I combine them to turn them into one body. And now, yeah, look at this. I can delete this. I don't need it anymore. So the solids folder disappears. Do we have anyone else watching? I mean, I don't think so. Why would anyone watch this? Yeah, it's just me. It's almost an hour now, and I haven't finished this. So what I charge for this, it's not worth it. All I did it is, I'm doing this for a friend, so. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to define this better. And I forgot something. This is wrong. This is totally wrong. Because this needs to have something here. And this is the one that should measure 5. And this should be yeah, it should be equal to this line half of this line. So what we can call this, did we already? Okay. Select other, select other, select other. I'll select this one, and I keep holding down Control, and I select this one, and they then make them equal. Okay, so now let's do this, and it should look better. Wait a second. Okay, this changed this operation here in the bodies to keep option, I think. So so we have to roll back, and what I think it's happening here is that this is pretty much not it doesn't work, and it won't ask me again, so I need to create it again. So okay. Well, I think I know what's going on. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so what happened here was that this, I mean not this, this has some issues in it. I thought let's let's make all this construction geometry. And now let's make this a little I don't know. Yeah, 0.3 is fine. But okay, so this is horizontal, and this is coincident with this. Each apparently is coincident with this, but this is also horizontal. So is this. So I can just turn this into one operation and make my life easier. Why didn't I do this before? Oh wait. Select chain. It just takes a little bit of this, little bit of that. Da -na 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 -na. Yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm. Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? I just don't understand. I've been such a good person. I have loved you. I have always loved you. And you do this? Are you out of your freaking mind? Is this just too complex for you to do? Apparently it is. Ah, come on, Solidworks. Put it together. Get it together. Okay, so what I'll do is this. Yep, this is what I will do. It still doesn't make any sense what happened. Okay. Let's just hide this one. Let's show this. And then we edit this. And this goes downtown. And this is just for completing. Okay. Now we go to this one. We make this one visible. Let's do this as well. So we can just snip snip. So we make this two visible. And it looks alright, I guess. And now we do this again. Okay, now this is better. And we do it again. But let's don't want to see this swap cut. Okay. And we continue this. Wow, this is really interesting, huh? Okay, I should make the spiral bigger, I guess. I just need to know. I need to find out how to continue a spiral, like on both ways. Yeah, because no. So I guess I'll just have to go back in time here. No, wait, here. Sketch 6. Helix and spiral. We use the same sketch. Is this a continuation? Start point. So we have to make sure it starts where the other one ends, which I think it's 180 degrees. We didn't need that much though. So we can edit this. Yeah, we can. Are you kidding me? Okay. What we need to do is make this one visible. And we make this not visible. We create another 3D sketch. And we merge this two. Okay. And now we edit this thing. And we edit the feature. And we don't use the spiral, we use 3D sketch 2. We have to put this before this. No, but we do this. Yeah. Okay, now it continues in a well-behaved way, I guess. And this one we just eliminate. We called them. This is the real spiral. We make it visible, and then we make another cut. Now with this one, and we choose our beloved spiral. We make it bilateral, so it goes on all the way. It just affects this body. Whoops, the hour is up. So, and now this will make probably everything work. And let's look at this. I don't want to look at you. You're ugly as fuck. Okay. Now, oh, look at this. This and this. This doesn't match. Okay. Well, this is it for this session, and now I'll have to speak to the woman I love. I hope someone gets to see these and you find it useful, because I would like to make a few of this more often, at least just for fun. Okay, so it was today's session. Hope you enjoyed it.